नमस्ते बिटिया। खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Dr. MP Sharma, Professor and HOD, Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. My today's digital version 2.0 topic is total count of RBC. The principle and procedure are similar to leukocytes count with a few modifications. Instruments, the red cell pipette. The red cell pipette consists of thick-walled capillary tube which is expanded at one point to form a bulb. The tube between the tip and the bulb is divided into the equal parts. The fifth division is labeled as 0.5 and the 10th as a 1.0. The beginning of capillary beyond the bulb is marked 101. If the blood is taken up to the mark 0.5 and diluting fluid drawn up to the mark 1.101, the blood would have been diluted 200 times. That means 1 in 200. This is because the fluid is the capillary would not contain any blood because any form of mixing is unlikely to force the blood back into the capillary tube. Mixing up of the blood in the bulb is promoted by a red bead placed in it. Hemocytometer counting chamber. The improved Neuber counting chamber described with white cell count is widely used. Of the 9 large squares of the counting area, the square at the center is used to count red cells, and this is a square. This square is divided into 25 medium. Size square 0.2 millimeter into 0.2 millimeter, and each of the medium square is further divided into 16 small squares. Red cells are counted in 4 medium size square at the 4 corners and the one at the center. The volume of the fluid contained in one of the medium sized square would be 0.004 millimeter cube. That means 2.2 into 0.2 into 0.1. Now exercise. Place the counting chamber under the microscope and study the red cells counting area on the platform. RBC diluting fluid. The solution contains 1 volume of 40% formaldehyde or formalin in 100 volumes of 3-point trisodium citrate. The formalin acts as preservative and citrate as anticoagulant. Now method. Draw blood in the pipette up to the mark 0.5 and diluting fluid up to the mark 101 and mix well. Charge the counting chamber, place it under the microscope and identify the engraved lines under the lowest magnification marked into 4. Identity the RBC counting area under next magnifications into 40 and count the cells systematically. The small squares are there to avoid the counting the same cell of the missing any cell. Start from top left square and move across the last square, then come down to the next row and so on. In order to avoid recounting the cells on the lines, adopt a convention of ignore cells touching the upper and left line and to include cells touching the lower and tight lines counts the cells in all 5 RBC counting areas. The calculation, the volume of the fluid is medium square is equal to 0.004 square millimeter. Volume of fluid in all 5 squares. So 5 into 0.004 cubic millimeter is equal to 0.02 cubic millimeter, and let the total number of cells counted in all 5 areas be number of cells C. Number of cells in 1 cubic millimeter diluted blood is equal to C. 0.02 is equal to 50 C. The dilution is 1 in 200 cells in 1 cubic millimeter. Undiluted blood is equal to 50 into 200 C. That means it is approx 10,000 C. So this session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. So we will have try to resolve it through the live session. Thank you.